kids, how are you today? We are going to draw and paint a bunch of grapes. Fantastic! It's one of my favourite fruits. How about you? Now it's really easy because all you need to do is draw loads of circles side by side. You can just draw freehand like we're doing here, or if you like, you could use, say, the bottom of a glass or a pot to trace around to get a perfect circle shape. So we keep layering these circles, these grapes, until we end up with a kind of lopsided upside down triangle shape. We're adding a stem and a leaf. And then we'll thicken up the border, nice thick black, and in between the grapes too, I think. This is going to make the colour of the grapes really stand out. That's it. Excellent! Ready to paint? We're going for purple. Of course, there are many different varieties of grapes. You can do whatever colour you like. We're doing a lovely purple, or otherwise known as black grapes. They are some of the sweetest varieties around. If you want to be really creative, you can do rainbow grapes. Make it interesting. So we're painting, but you can obviously use colouring pencils or pens or whatever you like. Here are some facts that I bet you didn't know about grapes. Grapes are actually berries. That's right. The word berry actually meant grape in Old English. Bet you didn't know that one. Grapes have been around for 65 million years. Can you believe that? Wow, that is a long time. People have been cultivating grapes for about 8,000 years. And guess what? There are 8,000 different varieties of grapes. Yep, I bet you just thought there was green, red and black, right? One serving of grapes provides 27% of your daily vitamin C. And you know what vitamin C is good for? Your immune system. It keeps you healthy and strong, stops you getting sick. So grapes are a very good addition to your diet. I definitely recommend you eat some. Just make sure that you cut them in half lengthways before you eat them, because grapes are also, unfortunately, very easy to choke on. Almost done? Finishing touches? Now let's do the stem. We'll do that brown. And a green leaf. Lovely contrast with the purple, don't you think? That's it. Carefully going inside all the black lines. Let's add a bit of shine. We're using white paint, just a little stroke on each grape. Makes them look all shiny. And there you have it, a bunch of grapes. Well done. Hello kids, how are you today? We are going to be drawing and colouring a ladybug, otherwise known as a ladybird in the UK. We start by drawing 3 half circles, just like this, and then joining them up together with some curvy lines. Circles for eyes. And the antennae. Excellent. Now we always like to thicken up the black border because it makes the colours stand out once you colour it in. There you go. Time to draw our spots on. 4 on each side, but really you can do as many as you like. Great, let's go for yellow for the head. We're using colouring pens for this, but you can use paint or crayon or even pencils if you like. A lovely bright colour that is. Yay, blue for the eyes. And let's go for red for the main body. Carefully colouring around those spots. Now I know that when we think of a typical ladybug, we think of red with black spots, right? But if you want to get really creative, you should know that there are in fact 5,000 species of these tiny insects, and they all come in a variety of colours. Some have spots, some even have stripes, and some have no markings at all. You can even get black ladybugs with red spots. orange, yellow, brown, all different colours. So choose your favourite one. They're really great to have around because they actually eat quite a lot of pests who steal our crops and ruin our food in the farms. They eat fruit flies, mites, things like that. And did you know that the ladybird actually hibernates in the winter, just like a bear? That's right. Bet you never knew that. They've actually got spots to warn off predators so that they don't get eaten. So having these spots on their back tells the predator, hey, look, I don't taste too good. That's it, we're done with the red, going for a pink now. And how about some orange? This is where we get nice and colourful. Green next. Beautiful. And pink. So the red part with the spots actually have hidden wings underneath them. Yes, that's right. Ladybirds can fly. We're colouring our spots in brown. You can do black if you like. Doing fantastically well, and you're almost there. Last one. Woohoo! You did it! Hey kids, guess what we're drawing today? Let's have a look then, shall we? It's rectangular. What could it be? Some kind of a handle, perhaps? Ah, a circle in the centre. Oh, I know! It's a camera! That's right, let's make it a polka dot camera. Why not? You see, this camera is very easy to draw. Or you can pause the video at each step to give yourself more time. Decorate it however you wish. Thicken up the border with a nice thick black pen. That's it. Ready to paint. Let's do orange for the top part. You can, of course, choose any colours you like and use any patterns you like. What patterns can you spot on our camera? That's right, there are some diagonal stripes in the top left-hand corner. That's the flash. What else can you spot? Yes, the polka dots. Well done. We're going for pink around our polka dots. Using a thin-tipped paintbrush because we don't want to be going over those black lines. The thin tip makes it much easier to paint more precisely, more carefully, more accurately. There you go. Excellent. Do you have a camera? Do you like to take photos? Me too. What things do you like to take photos of? I love to take pictures of the sunset. This section is almost done. You're doing really well. And yes, there we go. Let's go for green for the outside of our circle. This part is, of course, where the camera lens is. There we go. What colour shall we do next? How about purple? A lovely violety purple. Very nice too. Going around our love heart. Which can be red, of course. Oh, well, it doesn't have to be red, but I do love how that bright red colour stands out. We're leaving a little white border there. Going for yellow polka dots. Lovely. This is starting to look like a very funky camera. Now for the top part. We'll go for some blue. Nice. And some purple. Now some more red. And last but not least, yellow. Brilliant! Hey kids, guess what? We're going to be showing you how to draw and colour in a burger and fries. That's right, favourite meal of the day. I do like a good burger. So we start with the bun, it's sort of a semicircle shape, and now for the filling. We're starting with some, you guessed it, lettuce. So let us draw. What should we do next? I know, some tomatoes. So you can draw all your favourite fillings, whatever you like. A nice slice of cheese. How about 2? And the burger. This looks like a Whopper. And now we're adding some more salad. And the bottom half of the burger bun. On the right side of the burger, we're making a can of soda. With a straw. And on the left side, a packet of fries. Just some long rectangular shapes, thin ones of course for our fries. Layering them like so. You can sort of crisscross them over if you want. Have fun with this. There we go. Last one. Let's put some sesame seeds on our burger bun. And thicken up the border. Getting it ready to colour in. Just going around the outside of everything. There we go, starting with orange for our bun. Carefully going around those sesame seeds. Do you love going to McDonald's or Burger King? Me too. Not very healthy though, is it? Perhaps you could try making your own burger at home. Yes, that's right. It's a great idea, and you don't even have to use meat. You can use chickpeas in a blender or any kind of vegetables that you like, really. So with your drawing, you could be super creative and make your burger to your own liking, but whatever fillings you like in it, any sauces, salad or no salad, whatever you prefer. We want to be a little bit healthy, so here goes our green lettuce. The thin tip of our pen makes it easy to colour in those shapes. Some red for our tomatoes. Look at the contrast of those colours. Some yellow for our cheese. This is making me hungry. There we go. Brown for our burger, because it's going to be a meat burger. That's right, a beef burger. More green for the rest of our lettuce. This is shaping up nicely. Excellent. Back to the orange for the bottom half of our burger bun. Lovely. There you go, good enough to eat. Let's go for our fries, which are going to be yellow. Of course, if you wanted to be a little bit different, you could do sweet potato fries. They could be orange or white, different variety. You could even mix and match a few normal fries, a few sweet potato fries. How about multicoloured rainbow fries? That would be fun, wouldn't it? There you go. I do think the plain yellow colour and then the red colour of the packet look really good against the burger, because the burger's got lots of colours going on already, hasn't it? A yellow straw for our can of drink. Red for the can to match our packet of fries. There we go. Yellow for the curvy line. Blue for the rim. And we're done! Brilliant!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!